Okay, children. Can anyone tell me what were the 3 questions given yesterday? Which were those questions? Which were those questions? I think these 3. Have you tried? Have you all tried? Arey, what happened? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell even yes or no. It's something. Why so silence today? Why so silence? Yes. Navneet, have you tried? Navneet, am I audible to you?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. No.
Yeah.
Have you tried, Navneet?
Yeah, ma'am.
Why? Did you get the answer?
Not exactly getting stuck at the last one.
The last one you are stuck.
No, like we are just supposed to rationalize everything, right?
Rationalizing will take a lot of time. In competitive exams, you won't get much time.
That's what, ma'am, I wondered if like there was a shortcut, if there was a simpler way to do it.
Simpler way, the formulas are given to you already. The formulas are already given to you. Apeksha, have you done?
Ma'am, I did the first 2 questions. You thought that I watched them.
Okay. Tejas?
No, ma'am.
Not at all.
No, ma'am.
Why? This is not expected from Tejas at all. What about others? Chetna, Samhita, Sahana? Anyone has done, children? Anyone has done? No one. What to tell further? The first question, Z into Z conjugate. Was there any formula for Z into Z conjugate? Are you able to recollect?
Modulus of
Ma'am,
z
not
square.
Z square.
Very good. Modulus of Z square. Exactly. So, here Z is given to be what? 4 plus 3i by 5 minus I, right? So, you are asked what is Z into Z conjugate. So, find the modulus of Z. That's all. And modulus of Z, what is this? Modulus of the above by modulus of the below. Because we have studied one more properties of modulus, that mod Z1 by Z2 is modulus of Z1 by modulus of Z2, right? This is what we have studied. So modulus of Z1, the above one, is root 3 square plus 4 square. What is the modulus of the below one? Root 5 square plus 1 square, right? Right, children? Now, you are asked modulus of Z ka square. You need what? Modulus of Z ka square. So this root will blow away. This root is blown. What are you left with? 3 square plus 4 square. What is it? 9 plus
25.
25 by the
26.
below one. That's all. That's all. 25 by 26. 25 by 26. Now, in the second question also, this is a little bit tricky, but again a two-step answer. X plus IY is given to you. Let this X plus IY be Z. Let this X plus IY be Z. Okay. You are asked the value of what? X square plus Y square. This is the value you need. And what is X square plus Y square, children? What is X square plus Y square? What is
minus Y
Modulus.
Yes, Navneet, carry on. You're
My
on the
square
right.
plus y square is a modulus.
Modulus of z is root x square plus y square.
Sorry.
So
then
what
it
is
will be modulus square.
modulus of z square? Exactly. So modulus of z square is x square plus y square. So basically to find x square plus y square, what you need to do? This modulus ka square. This modulus of square. Indirectly, this is what it is asked to you. Are you all able to get? All are able to understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Ma'am.
Was this not taught to you, children? This was taught, right? So,
Yes.
so can you find the modulus of 3 minus 4i into 7 plus 24i by 4 minus 3i? This is what you have. You might have studied one property of modulus, that modulus of z1, z2 is equals to modulus of z1 into modulus of z2. This property you have studied, right? Right? So modulus of 3 minus 4i into 7 plus 24i. We can separate it. We can separate it, right? Right, children?
Yes.
So what is modulus of 3 minus 4i?
5.
5, okay. Modulus of 7 plus 24i, it is root 49 plus 24 square by root 4 square plus 3 square. This was also root 3 square plus 4 square, the first part. So these two will be cancelled. You will be left with only this, root 49 plus 24 square. 24 square, I think it is 576.
576.
Yes.
Exactly. So just add and
25.
625. Root 625.
root 625. So what do you need? The modulus ka square again. You need the value of x square plus y square. You need the value of x square plus y square, which is mod z ka square. So square of this is again
6.
625. Is it there in the option? Obviously, it is option A. It is option A. Any doubt till here, children? Bhumika, Samyak, Rupak, Diksha,
No doubt.
Aishwarya.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, the third question, can you all do? Third question, can you all please try? Now, here, what property of modulus we use? That modulus of z to the power n is equals to modulus of z to the power n. Use this and try question number 3. Similarly, the way we have done for question number 1 and 2, the same way, children, the same way. The same way. Can you all try? May I know why all are silent today? Today weather is not good in Bangalore. That's why. It's raining. Is that the reason?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Then Samhita, Chetna, Navneet, especially Pranil, Tejas, you all are not meant to be silent or not well. Tejas says that, okay. Tejas says that it is option A. Any more answers? Any more answers?
Root 5.
Root 5. Everyone are getting root 5? Everyone are getting root 5. Is it so? Is it so? Should I do? Chetna, Samhita?
Still doing, ma'am.
Okay. Those who are done with this, try this. Those who are done with this, try this question. Those who are done with the above, try this. I hope it's visible. I'm not trying to enlarge. Again, we'll face the same
Yes, ma'am.
problem. Okay. Yeah. How many of you are done with the above question? How many of you are done with the above question? How many of you are done with the above question? Very good, Bhumika. Very good, Navneet.
Ma'am, could you
Yeah.
show that question for a second, ma'am? Just a second.
For 1 second.
Ma'am, for a moment.
For a moment. And how will you define that moment? 1 second is done, Samita.
Yes.
Yeah. See. Yes. How many of you are done with the question number 3? How many of you are done? Navneet, Tejas, Rupak, only. Saujanya, very good. Pranil is also done. Apeksha, I know. And what about others? Diksha, very good, Diksha. And Abhyuday is not there today. Abhyuday is absent. Is Abhyuday absent today? Okay. Vedant, Soumya. What happened, Soumya?
Ma'am, still doing, ma'am.
Are you
I
stuck
did some
anywhere?
mistake in the middle, so I started doing it from the first again.
Okay. Okay. Chetna has some different answer, but I'm very happy that Chetna, you have tried and you have reached the end. And what about others? Siri. Siri is supposed to complete. What happened, Siri?
When the class started.
I think Siri, you joined late, right?
Yes, ma'am, there was an NPS program I messaged you.
Oh, is it so? I didn't see it. Okay. Okay, see, first of all, Aditya, Aishwarya, Bhumika, Siri, turn on your cameras. Turn on your cameras, first of all. First of all, turn on your cameras. Aditya, what happened to you, beta? Aditya, yes? Unable to do the question. Yes, tell me, how are you doing? First of all, what is the number we need to find the modulus? Root 3 plus 2i square. And what was the other number? What was the other number?
1
Into?
minus 2i.
Very good. 1 minus 2i by?
5 plus 2 root 3i.
5 plus 2 root 3i.
2 root 6i.
6i, ma'am.
5 plus, okay. 2 root 6i. So, the modulus of this is asked in the question, right? Now, okay, Athar. Yes. So, this is nothing but your modulus of this root 3 plus 2i ka square into modulus of 1 minus 2i by modulus of 5 plus 2 root 6i. Right? So, what is the modulus of root 3 plus 2i? Root 3 ka square 3 plus 4. Root 3 plus 4 ka square is there. And the modulus of that is root 1 plus 4 by root 25 plus
24.
Oh, root 25 plus 24. This is root 49, 7. Again, here we have root 7 ka square. So these two will be cancelled. So we will be left with root 5. We will be left with root 5. So root 5 is the answer. Chetna, did you understand where did you commit the mistake?
I forgot to remove the root, ma'am.
Array. Okay. Okay. Yes, coming back to the next question. Z1 is given, Z2 is given. You're asked what is Z1 into Z1 conjugate and Z2 into Z2 conjugate. What is it? What is it?
Option A, ma'am.
Option A. Option A. Listen, children, this is nothing but Z1 into Z1 conjugate is mod Z1 ka square, and Z2 into Z2 conjugate is mod Z2 square. And for these type of numbers, now you know very well how to find the modulus, right? We have seen a lot of questions right now. Now you all know very well how to find the modulus. What is the modulus of Z1? Root 3 square plus 1 square. Root 9 plus 1. Root 10 by root 2. Root 10 by root 2. Ka square means 10 by 2. 10 by 2, right? 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Mod Z1 ka square is 5. What is mod Z2 ka square?
5.
How much?
5.
Root 5 by 2. Root won't be there. 5 by 2.
5 by 2. Oh, yes.
Only 5 by 2. So it is 25 by 2. This question is something that needs to be calculated in your mind, children. That can be calculated in your mind. And yes, coming back to the next one. The complex number 1 plus 2i by 1 minus I lies in which quadrant? So to locate a complex number in the Argand plane, which form do we need? We need in the form of x plus iy. Right? We need it in the form of x plus iy. So can you just convert it in the form of x plus iy? How do we convert? Rationalize it. 1 plus 2i by 1 minus I into 1 plus I by 1 plus I. So what will we get? 1 plus I plus 2i plus 2i square, which is minus 2, by 1 square minus I square. And I square is minus
Ma'am, is
1.
it second quadrant? Ma'am?
Let us see. It seems so. 1 square plus 1. 1 plus 1. This is nothing but your 2. Now this is minus 1 plus 3i by 2. So it is nothing but minus 1 by 2 plus 3i by 2. Your x is positive and x is negative and y is positive. Very good, Samita. It is in the second quadrant. It is in the second quadrant. Everyone understood? Any doubt, children, till here? Any doubt till here, children? Anyone has any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Aditi has joined late. Okay. Ananya. Ananya, beta. Pranil, Siri.
Understood, ma'am.
Everyone understood Saujanya, Dhananjay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, shall we see the next one? This question, anyone has done? Anyone are done with this question? Are you done with this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Pranil, may I know how to proceed?
I thought the previous question, ma'am, not this one. I thought you meant the previous question, ma'am.
This question.
One second, ma'am, I'm doing it.
Yeah. Question number 6, I'm asking children. Question
Ma'am,
number
is it
6.
option B, 2?
Option B. How, Samita? I don't know the answer. I'll do with along with you. Yeah.
Ma'am.
Huh.
Ma'am, it is 50% guesswork, 50% some.
Oh my God. You have made a report card right now. Yeah. Tell how did you guess? How did you guess?
Ma'am, no need, ma'am. Nothing. I don't know. ma'am.
No, even the guest should have some logic, right? Right? When a new teacher used to come to our school, when I was in school, class 8th, 9th, when younger than you, oh, if the teacher looks good, then she will teach good. Otherwise, no. This is how we used to guess. So even our guess had some logic. Maybe meaningless logic, but it had some logic. Yes. Yesterday we had discussed whenever we see 1 plus I by 1 minus I, what we need to do. See,
Square.
one, yeah, proceed, Apeksha.
From square it, ma'am, then we see 1 plus I by 1 minus
Aha, you're saying to square. Let us see, will it help or not?
I. Not in this sequence, ma'am, like yesterday.
Acha, acha, yes, yesterday. Yesterday, yes. Yes. But here, if you can see, the numerator is 1 plus I to the power n, right? And what about the denominator? Can I write the denominator as 1 minus I to the power n into 1 minus I to the power minus 2? Can I write it this way? Can I
Yes,
write it this way? Okay. Now can I write it as 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole to the power n into 1 by 1 minus I to the power minus 2?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Tell me one thing, bacho. What is 1 by x to the power minus 2?
X to the power.
X to the power 2. Right? X to the power 2. Anyone has any doubt here that why is this? Anyone has any doubt here? Here in this part? Anyone has? No. Okay. Now, this is nothing but your 1 plus I. Here, somewhere to bring 2 is difficult. To bring 2 is difficult. So, what can we do? We can rationalize it. If I rationalize it, I'll multiply the numerator and the denominator by 1 plus I. Right? So, it is 1 plus I ka square by 1 minus I into 1 plus I. What is it? 1 square minus I square to the power n. And this is nothing but 1 minus I ka whole square. Right? Right, children? Now, what is 1 plus I ka square? What is 1 plus I ka square? It is 2i. Right? 2i. 1 plus I ka square is 1 square plus I square plus 2 into 1 into I. 1 minus 1 plus 2i. So, here I can write it as 2i by 1 square minus I square. 1 square minus of minus 1. So, it is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. What is 1 minus I ka square, children?
Minus 2.
Minus 2i.
Minus 12.
Yes, minus 2i. So, 2 can be cancelled out. 2 can be cancelled out. Now, it is, what is there? Minus 2 into I to the power n plus 1. Because here I to the power n is there, here one I is there. Here I to the power n, and here I is there. So I to the power n into I. So this is what you have got, the final answer. Now, it is asked that the least positive integer n such that this number is positive. This number is positive, it is said. So, minus 2 is negative and I to the power n plus 1 is multiplied to minus 2. For the whole outcome to be positive, we must have this to be negative. Then only We must have this to be less than 0. Right? Right, children? Am I right? Now, we know one thing, that the complex numbers are not comparable. So we cannot say whether the complex number is less than 0 or greater than 0, something like that. We cannot say that part, right? So this has to be some real number. What are the powers of I we have studied? And I4 equals to 1. These are the 4 powers of I we have studied, right? We must have I to the power n plus 1 less than 0 and a real number. And a real number. Less than 0 and less than 0, only these two possibilities are there. And we must have that to be real number. So what is the possibility? I square equals to -1. So n plus 1 should be equals to 2. So that this should be nothing but your I square. I square. I to the power n plus 1 should be equals to I square. Right? So if n plus 1 equals to 2, what is n?
1.
1. So is 1 there in the option? Is it okay? How many of you didn't understand and want me to repeat again? Please raise your hands. How many of you are stuck in the middle and want me to repeat again? Dheeraj, Archita, Rupa,
Got it, ma'am.
Aditya,
Understood, ma'am.
Soumya, Aditi Chandra, Abhiram,
Got it, ma'am.
Pranil,
Got it, ma'am.
Aditi, Ananya, Abhiram, turn on your cameras. And let us see. Similar to this question. Similar to this question. Will you all try? Ready to try? Similar to this.
Yes.
Yeah. The smallest integer for which this part is equals to 1. Here also somewhere we got, I think. See. Now see this. Now don't ask me to scroll up. The smallest integer for which 1 plus I by 1 minus I to the power n is equals to 1. How, Apeksha?
It should be multiple of 4. The smallest multiple of 4.
Let us see. Let us see. Let us wait for others' answers as well. Tejas.
Yes, ma'am.
What about you, Tejas? Nowadays,
Trying,
Tejas
ma'am.
are silent in the class. And today I'm not able to understand what happened to all of you. Or is it that I am looking dull?
No, ma'am.
Or either problem is from your side or from my side. Or today my teaching is not good. Arey, ma'am is not teaching good. And one more thing. Last few days I was traveling and I was busy in settling down. So I couldn't send you all the notes. Today I'll prepare the notes for all of you and send it to you. Okay. Today I have a little bit of leisure. So today I'll prepare the notes and I'll send it to you. Complex numbers. And 2 more topics are left. We will discuss those 2 topics after your CET exam. Now this today, tomorrow, we will devote our time to solve more and more questions. Okay, Chetna has also answered. Chetna, may I know what is the value of n you are getting?
Ma'am, 4, ma'am.
Okay, let us see. Let us see.
I'm same.
Same.
N equals
Okay,
to one,
one more vote. One more vote for n equals to
Option
4.
D, none of these, ma'am, because we get some other.
Okay, let us see. Let us see. Even I also don't know the answer. Now the smallest integer for which 1 plus I by 1 minus I to the power n. As we have done in the previous question, multiply and divide by 1 plus I. Rationalize it. So 1 plus I ka whole square is nothing but 2I by 1 minus I by 1 plus I. This is 2. I to the power n equals to 1. This part is equals to 1 is given. This part is equals to 1 is given. So this implies I to the power n equals to 1. And what is the smallest integer such that I to the power n equals to 1?
4.
4.
I power 4.
So, none of these. Whenever you are asked in the question that the smallest integer or the smallest positive in here, the question should be actually smallest positive integer. I'll change it. Whenever you are asked about the smallest positive integer, it's not among what is given in the options. It is about what actually you're getting. Is it okay? Even these type of questions will be asked in the numerical answer type questions. These can be asked in the numerical answer type questions. Apeksha, did you get where did you do the mistake?
Yes, ma'am. I took from the 3 given.
Okay, so one more. Do you all remember what is a purely imaginary number and
Yes,
a
ma'am.
purely real number? This question is also of the same type, but a little twist in the trailer. Yeah, if 1 minus I to the by 1 plus I to the power n is a purely imaginary positive, is a purely imaginary number with positive imaginary part, then the smallest integral value of n is. Then the smallest integral positive integral value of n is. Now you all know how to find out this. 1 minus I by
Ma'am, is
1.
it 3?
Arre vah.
1. 1.
3, 1. Let us see. Two options we got. Quickly. What is this 1 minus I ka square by 1 square minus I square?
I.
So the denominator is nothing but 2. Arre. Yes. This is nothing but minus 2I by 2 to the power n. So here we have minus I to the power n. Minus I to the power n, which is equals to minus 1 to the power n into I to the power n. So it's very clear that this is a purely imaginary number. Means the real part is 0. Real part of this is equals to 0. So I to the power n can take the values either I or minus I. Either I or minus I. These are the only two values I to the power n can take. Because it is given that this is a purely imaginary number. Purely imaginary number means the real part is 0. If I to the power n would have been equals to 1 or minus 1, this would have been considered as the real part. So, but here we do not have the real part. Here we do not have the real part. So I to the power n can assume only two values, I and minus I. Now see, I to the power 1 is equals to I, and I to the power 3 is equals to minus I. So if I take n equals to 1, what do I have? Minus 1 into I, which is minus I. And minus I, is it a positive imaginary part? Is minus I a positive imaginary part? No. So n equals to 1 is not the answer. N equals to 3 is the answer. Why? Why? Minus 1 to the power 3 into I cube, which is minus 1 into minus I equals to I. Means I, this is the positive imaginary part. Here, what is the imaginary part? What is the imaginary part? 1. So n equals to 3 is the answer. Who told 3 as the answer?
Me, ma'am.
Very
Samita.
good. Samita, very good. I am very glad to see your progress, Samita. Very glad to see it. Is it okay, children? Everyone, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts in today's class? Today we have solved many good questions. Tejas,
Yes, ma'am.
what happened to you?
No
Tejas?
doubts, ma'am.
Okay. So again, tomorrow we'll be back with much more bombarding questions. Okay. Yes, today I'll prepare the notes. Maybe by tomorrow I'll be sharing with all of you. Okay. Yes. Thank you, everyone.